everyone. I just want to show you a really cool way to do a competitive analysis on your own website and look and see what ChatGPT actually says about your current site and what you can change. So go in there and say, give me a quick analysis of my current offer or my website and see what's working. So this tool comes back and tells me what's working. It says I have an instant booking button. It says that I have a clear niche, that I have some trust elements, and I got testimonials and reviews. And then where the offer falls short. So it says I have no bold promise, too service focused, not outcome focused. I have generic wording, get a quote, schedule now, we clean so you don't have to. No clear differentiator. Why you over the other 10 cleaning services nearby? So then it's showing me what my current offer as it reads now. And then it's going to do a competitor comparison, so a side by side, and it breaks it down and tells me what my competitors are doing. So I actually noticed that it came back and said I did commercials. So I said, hey, that's not true. Can you take that out? So it updated the clarity here. And then it said, what area do you focus on? So I said Rochester, and then it went through, did a competitive search. So it pulled up Merry Maids, gave me their offer headline, their CTA, their selling points, and their hook. And it did the same thing with two other companies here. And then here is the before and after comparison. So it's basically saying, here's your current offer, and here's an optimized suggested version of what you could say. So headline, subheadline, CTA, differentiator, and emotional hook. And then it says, all right, what do you want to do? Do you want to refine your core offer? Do you want to create an ad? What do you want to do? So I went through and said, let's do the core offer. So it came back with a goal, craft a headline and subheadline plus a call to action. And then it's doing it based on my vibe, the core vibe. And then it gave me 3 offers. And these actually were focused more on like claim your custom quotes, book your first cleaning, get an instant price. And I didn't like any of those because I said, like, I like the title of this one here, the time giver, like more time, less mess. We've got the cleaning covered, but I didn't like that, like, it's, free quote or whatever. I said, that's not really what my clients want. Can we dig a little bit deeper into this? So it went through and it made some refocus on what's in it basically for my client, right? Giving them more freedom and shifting towards warmth, trust, and tailored service. And then it came back and said, request a personalized quote, talk to a real person, no pushy sales. Let's start with a quick chat. Again, I still don't like it. I think I want to adjust this. But basically, I think this is pretty cool. So the next thing this can do is it can actually help you do some mock-ups and everything. And I just wanted to show you this. So see how this mock-up isn't that great? Like you can still tell here that some of the wording is messed up a little bit. So you can actually ask ChatGPT for the prompt that they use to create the visual here. And I got the prompt. And then what I did is I came over to Canva and I put the prompt in their magic, I guess they're calling it. So Dream Lab over here. And I added that exact prompt and I said create, and this is what it came back with. So kind of cool. Not perfect yet, but getting closer. So more time, less mess. We handle the cleaning so you can breathe. Locally owned and relationship driven, the same trusted. So our clients really like the same person each time. Then here's another one. More time, less mess. We handle the cleaning so you can breathe. Request a personalized quote. So this is basically showing me what they think my front page should look like. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think.